You were hoping for me to fall.
All right, where to?
Keith still on. Go out. Keith, you have to direct him.
Yeah.
Day one, it started out me, Vince, Mike, and my brother Ben. Actually, day one started back in Nelsonville, back in Ohio. And the first morning, we decided to camp along the Hocking River in Wayne National Forest. Turned out super smoothly. Awesome evening. We ended up catching a catfish as well. Topped off the evening. We were able to get up at 7:30 that morning, hit the road. We had some groceries to get, some errands to run before we hit the road.
Christmas.
Are we gonna be down on that road?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, there is a truck up there.
I pulled for just 8 minutes.
Well, I don't want to fall.
And then 3.5 hour drive to get to this parking spot right here. And once we got here, we pretty much just packed all our stuff and hit the road because we were pretty confident that we had everything we needed packed, and hit this trail back in. Do not know the name of the trail, but we got onto it. Ben did a lot of the research for it. Big thanks to Ben for doing the planning and the research for these areas. And planning on a whim, we pretty much came out here with 6 days of like total planning. We kind of knew that we wanted to do it, but once we decided like this is the weekend we're doing it, we had about 6 days to plan, which was pretty wild to get out here and do that. And we got out an absolutely perfect weekend. It's been kind of warm and like a little bit wet for a while, and then the whole entire Midwest got this huge warm system that rolled in, and for the past 3 days it's been like 70, anywhere from 74 to like 85 down here. We were walking in with no shirts yesterday. There are a lot of other campers up there, or other hikers, backpackers up on Seneca Creek, which is the one we're on right now.
It's a pretty long one. It's a pretty long section. Like a whole different kind of plan.
Are we gonna?
You try it, rub it in. Maybe a total of 1,000 to the top. That's scratch. And then, like tonight, once we get down to the bottom,
Cleanup duty.
that will be a lot quicker tomorrow than except that hike out is on its spot.
Takes on a crazy blue definition.
Oh! Oh! Like way down there, dude. That's where we're headed. I think you can see like the blue reflection and
Checked off.
and come look at this. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, it's...
Water reflecting the... Probably not.
There's a white one.
Oh well. So we gotta share with people?
Well, we'll find. I mean, we can find anywhere,
I was
dude.
gonna go downstream.
Dude, don't be dying right here. We started at one spot and ended up moving down after we found this other really sweet spot with like a seats and a little fire ring already made. Set up camp kind of late because we were messing around fishing the creek and stuff. And we got camp set up. We got the drip bag for water filter set up. Ben's finishing the rest of that this morning before we hike back out, but we got all that stuff set up pretty easily and we were able to get down and eat a lot of food. We feasted last night after coming in, hiking these big hills. We are not used to hiking mountains like this, but it is incredible out here. We got way back in here. We're far. We're real far from many people right now. It was super relaxing to get out here with these guys and get some camping done. But we have a 4-mile hike back out. Rain's supposed to start in an hour or so, and storms are supposed to move in this afternoon. So we're gonna make the trek back out. It should be a smooth morning. Get back to the road, head back to Ohio, and hopefully we get another chance to do something like this in the future.
And how are we doing this? Do you want to set up a target?